Morning, guys. It's Friday morning, December 16th. Finally got my truck back over a week later. I'm bobtailing up Route 11 here in Ohio. Roads are getting crappy. They're calling for a bad storm. I'm going to go up here and get my trailer. I should have left last night, but it was just so bad. And the guy who actually brought me out to my truck, he developed a problem, and sit up half the night making sure his truck didn't freeze up on him and he didn't freeze to death. We got him into the shop this morning. So now I'm heading up. I want you guys to see this. Check this out, man. Really pretty out here this morning. But another couple hours, they're looking at another 1.5 feet of snow. They're calling for 12 to 18 inches. So this guy is getting the hell out of here. I'm hooking my trailer and I'm going. Driving through this weather, and other drivers will agree with me, West Coast and East Coast, when it comes to snow, totally 100% different. You get out Colorado way, excuse me, it's not like wet, icy shit like this is here on the East Coast. Ohio, further east. Here, the snow is heavy, it's wet, and it freezes up real quick, so you gotta be careful. Watch out for black ice and shit like that. Them guys out west, man, they just roll. That shit's powder, it don't freeze. It's crazy. Running behind. They're already screaming, where the hell are you, where the hell are you? But it is what it is. I'm not dying for nobody. I was exhausted. I went to bed last night. I'm still tired. I got a lot of making up time to do today. We're going to see what happens. I gotta haul ass, man. I can't be messing around today. But we're gonna do it safely, weather permitting. You know what? Things happen, and I'm not crashing, and I'm not dying for nobody. I want to make it home with my kids. So we'll work on that all day. That's my job for today. Get my butt home so I don't miss a meeting tonight. I gotta make the office before they close. I think it's gonna be next to impossible, to be honest with you, but I gotta do what I gotta do, I guess. Right now I'm just trying to get up here and get my trailer. I had to not only dig out my truck because they buried it at the dealership, we had to take it back inside and let them re-clear the codes out again. Because I guess one of the codes they didn't clear right, it was the EGR. They think maybe it had a little ice in it because the truck sat so long. So we got that straightened out. And the airline that works the fan on my buddy's truck was just dangling in there. We didn't want it to cause any more damage. And it was just puking air. I mean, he was losing air left and right. So it was just a matter of time before he actually got shut down anyway. So I disconnected the wire off the solenoid for the fan. So that shuts the air down to it. So So he's at the dealership now getting that brass fitting fixed. And I hated to, I filled his, I put so much cardboard over top of his radiator just so the kid could stay warm, because the fan, when you stop the air to your clutch fan, it automatically, see the air, all the air does is the air releases the clutch inside of that. And if there's no air to it, it stays locked. So therefore, the fan spins all the time, which is great in the summertime, not in the wintertime. So the poor kid, he couldn't even get, his water temperature wouldn't even go over 130 degrees. So he was fucking freezing in that truck last night. So I cardboarded his grill up, did what I could for him. But he's in the dealership now. He got in there this morning. He just texted me and let me know he was in. And, which is a good thing for him. And me, I'm heading, I got about 10 more miles to go. And I'm going up to get my trailer and get the hell out of here. Uh-oh, my fucking bug juice is froze. Son of a bitch. I can't see a fucking thing. Careful driving here, see that? Anyway. Alright guys, let me get off this thing. I can't see for shit. And let me get up here and get my trailer. Alright? Be safe out there. Don't mess around with this shit. It ain't worth it. If you don't feel comfortable, park that fucking thing. No lie. Alright? Peace out, be safe.